Well, here we go, day 2. I'm going to try and fly the new Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle. First time. It's been a couple years, probably 3 or 4 years since I flew FPV the last time. We're going to give this a try today. Second time. Last time didn't work out too well, so we'll give it a try for this time. Well, that went way better today than last time. Got one battery pack in, and I think we did pretty good. So I'll have to get back in the saddle and figure out how to fly this thing. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
"20 minutes later."
Well, that did not go as the way I had hoped. I just spent 20 minutes getting her out of a tree. Next time, hopefully it turns out better.